friends, it's DIYs by Dar, and I am on the microgreen kick. Here I purchased 3 different bags of microgreens, and I'll zoom in there so you can see what type they are. I think I'm going to go ahead and try to plant all 3 of them in these special containers that my husband set up that we're going to set along each side of the windows in my exercise spa room. And it is just the 2nd of March today, and it is maybe 38 degrees outside. I still don't have heat in here, but I think it's going to be warm enough for these to start, but we're going to give it a try. I've taken these 2 out, and I need to find something else to put up in the window, because this type of container, even though it gives you a little indicator to where full is, when you fill it up too much, well, I guess you really can't see it, but the water is going to leak out the bottom, and then it will leak out all over, and I really don't want water leaking out up inside my brand new window frames. So I've set these down here on a piece of plastic, and it's just cement floor in here. And until I get the hang of using these and see what happens out here with this, just going to be a big experiment. Okay, I have the seed in now, and I'll kind of go in there close so you can see how close you have to put the seeds together. I did this once last year, and basically you're just kind of throwing and packing as many seeds in there as you can. And I'm gonna determine, I've put the packages up in the tray here, so I'm gonna know which type was which, so I can let you know which type was better. Now, I'm not going to leave the dirt like this. I'm going to take and just lightly throw some dirt over the top. You see, the benefit of this type of container is if you keep the water inside the tray, it's always going to feed up through the bottom, and then you don't have to continue to spray from the top and disrupt the little plants all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill the top with some dirt. So I decided to pick this natural and organic seedling mix. My husband had a bag over there. I'm sure that's probably what he put in here. But all I want you to do is, you can see where I've lightly just sprinkled it over the top. And that's what I'm going to do over here. Just a nice light, don't pack it down. Just a nice light little sprinkle. Just enough to cover them seedlings up with. And you should be good to go then. I'm going to get a mister bottle, and then we're just going to mist them from the top. So I just have a simple mister bottle. Probably got it from the dollar store to use for one of my painting classes. So just go ahead and mist the top of that soil that you fluffed in there. Get it nice and wet. And then what you want to do is look for any areas where maybe you missed, like where you see a lot of seeds. Like I possibly see like one area right there where a lot of seeds are exposed. Just go back and just put a little more dirt on it and spray it back down again, and you don't have to wait very many days. We'll see how it is out here in this colder addition that we have on our house that has an exercise pool in it. So check back in with you when we get some growth. Okay, it is March 7th today, and here's what we got going on. It looks like they're coming up really great in this tray. Back out, getting some good growth in that one, and this one is starting. Also, I don't think it gets quite as much sun as the other one. So I think in a couple days here, it's been 5 days since I planted the seeds and they're up. I'm going to get ready and plant another group so I can go ahead and set them in this windowsill. So I have microgreens kind of stretched out so there's enough to last through a few weeks. So I'll get back to you when my Hubs is gonna pack down another couple of these containers so you can see how he sets them up.